Hello there traders, Petar.jacimovic here. I want to inform you about my update on the British pound versus US dollar. I mostly focus on this currency pair lately. I really like the volatility in this currency pair and the price action. So I kept this week very very good. I posted my trading view. You can search my full name on the tradingview.com and find my updates, because I do this on the fly, so when I don't have time for video, I post basically there, and very soon I will post on my website where I will cover also some currency potential opportunities and together with stock market opportunities and so on, and there will be a lot of things educational and so on. So I will let you know when I finish my website. So I use a 1 minute time frame here. Want to do this short video to explain this is a classic Viacom principle, spotting on the 1 minute. It took about 190 minutes, basically consolidation. Then there's one very big climax, which caused basically, if you check this is a climax of generally this went 25 pips in a 1 minute, and in the 3 minutes price went 60 pips. This is absolutely, in my opinion, climatic action. The price went very fast, very strong, and the second thing is basically before that we already saw the increasing in the strength here. And if you check basically a daily average range in this currency pair, basically the price already hit the daily max range here and created the distribution. So some smart traders basically mark this up and they distribute later. We see that after this strong buying pressure and in the British pound versus US dollar, I basically catch this move here. I was buying at this point here, and it closed when I saw that the ranging and potential distribution coming in. I closed my position. I catch this perfectly. I post this on TradingView and so on. But this is right now situation we have here, and I found a perfect, in my opinion, perfect distribution based on the 1 minute time frame. And actually, this is an intraday distribution. So this is not for short term or something. This is a 1 minute time frame. Price spent about 190 minutes in this trading range. So this is for intraday. So in the next 5 to 7 hours, I expect a drop on the British pound versus US dollar. How much we can go, we will see. I have some projected targets according to this cause. The Viacom called this cause or the trading range. So the bigger the cause, the bigger potential effect can be. And I calculate this cause. And the projection is basically, these are some projections. Projection is, so targets are set at 1.255, 1.245, and then finally near 1.2115 or 2.110. So these are some projected points from this cause. If this will be distribution like I expect, and like what I see here. So we have a classic climax which stopped this buyers from going higher, than classic testings of this climatic actions. I checked the order flow basically on the future chart. There is no such a big buyers or something to move this to new highs or something. Price went lower, we got some liquidity and order flow. The supply basically started to control the day, and then we created a lower highs, a series of lower highs starting from this highest high, lower high, lower high, and this is a lower high as well, potentially building here. And I started basically to sell with the projected targets here. I saw the opportunity, and I want to try to benefit. I have two positions, 0.2, and basically I want to take at least this and maybe let second position to maybe to take second position to secure the break even, and then wait the FOMC the meeting minutes basically, which will happen in the 5 hours. So My idea is basically to try to close one of the positions near this target zone, from this to this zone, and then to secure position and then watch for maybe even potential larger drop on the British pound versus US dollar, since we're expecting the rate hike in the US. So that can boost this US dollar. Anyway, this is my trading idea. Right now what we're building here is basically some type of redistribution. After this drop, price immediately started to redistribute again. In my opinion, this is a small bearish flag on the 1 minute time frame and goes again 140 minutes. So they, in my opinion, they building more and more distributions here. So they want to distribute this. Maybe they wait news, maybe they will actually mark down before the news and then continue after news. We don't know that. I just wanted to update. Control your risk. Never risk more than 1% from your account. That's the whole plan, to try to catch big moves with a very controlled risk, and to catch good risk reward setups and try to spot the good opportunities. And notice here there is supply here, which took this training range. Basically, this is strong supply entered the market. There is some order flow supply as well, which won the battle here. And this is we call this ice. Why we call this ice or support? Price broke this ice or support, then created the last point of supply, this point here. So I see this further lower till end of the day, and at least till this news event, this interest rate decision, I see this to go lower. At least again, from this point, the price should go lower about 40 to 50 pips, or I expect about 70 pips before interest rate decision. But we will see what will happen. Again, this is based on pure price action, Wyckoff analysis. I also read some order flow on the futures on this currency, on this symbol, and yes, there is also good conditions for there that we may see lower price. Anyway, nothing is 100% sure, but when I see some setups like this, the book examples, I really go for it. Put a risk, my stop loss, define my risk and control risk, and then try to take the good pips here. Also, one thing here I posted on the InstaForex analytic page, where I regularly post on the different instruments, on the pound dollar, post on the gold, and the euro dollar. You can find me on the instaforex.com, and then go to search my name there and go to the reviews by analytic experts, and you can find my regular daily updates. Basically, I posted there that I already hit this first target as well. I posted that I expecting when the price was here that I expect the price go lower at least this 330 pips. Price went lower, tested the first 61.8, and I expect further retesting of low or maybe even lower. There's a bearish divergence and so on. So when I spot something interesting, I just go for it. This was a view. I just want to also to let you know about here. So I have a different setups. So yeah, this is a Ichimoku. Just want to show you here. So I mean, you don't want to buy here the gold. Gold is in 4-hour time frame, the very bearish downward trend. Once the price broke this Ichimoku cloud, Lang Lang broke. This was clearly downward trend, and this is, in my opinion, just some consolidation before further drop. We'll see the Fed interest rate decision, what will happen, but don't watch to buy and try to predict the lows or something in this strong downward trend. Look at the 1 hour is also below. If you go to intro frames like 30 minutes time frame, you see basically that price is again trying to go. We also break this some bearish flag here, and price will probably retest the low, and maybe even then test this low here as well, 1195. So combining to understand what's going on. So gold is, in my opinion, also building some bearishness here, absolutely bearish on the 4-hour and hourly. So be very careful if you plan to buy here, because it's a very risky for buying. Daily is basically neutral according to Ichimoku. It's in the cloud, but there is a cross here lagging this um, Tenkan-sen caused a Kijun-sen, so there is a cross, but price isn't in the cloud. On the weekly time frame, price is basically below the cloud, and monthly time frame price is also below the cloud. So generally, there is a short, there is a downward, long-term downward trend, basically combining with this near-term hourly and 4-hour trends, which are down, and also intra frames like 15 and 30, which are also going right now down right now after this consolidation and after this bearish flag. So watch for this as well. And that said, I want to highlight to you that there is a space for 50 to 70 pips from current price of the British pound dollar. There is a distribution by Richard Wyckoff, research and so on. So I just use this knowledge, spot in this opportunity, and read some order flow as well on the futures. There's no big buyers there and so on, so they cannot move this further higher in my opinion, and this will cause this price to go at least some supports, and then try to find again buyers. That will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you good trading. Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my video. Feel free to comment, and if you want to start any kind of cooperation, I can do the basically the 1 month training program, one by one. I designed it especially to educate people. Even if you're a really beginner, I can educate from the basics to advanced. Or if you're already trading and you have experience in the trading, I can help you to improve your trading methodology and to add you more knowledge into your arsenal to trade, and how to identify good setups. So contact me on the Skype. My Skype username will be in the description of the video. And you know, this is all I can tell you for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Trade safe, never extend the risk, and the result will come. Again, with the good knowledge and the hard work, the result must come. Bye bye, and have a good day.